Welcome, awesome people! Let's discover some digital marketing hacks. In the ever-evolving field of digital marketing, adopting innovative strategies is crucial for staying ahead. One effective approach is utilizing user-generated content, which enhances authenticity and trust, appealing to consumers who value real experiences. Leveraging micro-influencers offers a higher engagement rate and cost-effectiveness, making them a valuable asset for brands. Personalizing content through data and analytics significantly improves customer experiences and boosts business potential. Interactive content, such as quizzes and polls, deepens user engagement and increases shares, while optimizing for voice search, with its growing popularity, ensures visibility by focusing on natural language phrases. Implementing these strategies can elevate a brand's digital presence and drive success. And that's it. Thank you for your time. And remember, the most successful marketers are the ones who are willing to take risks and try something different. Now, go out there and make your brand stand out.